Hello all, I am Ramya. Today I am going to tell you all a story. The name of the story is My Cousin Visits My Village. Are you all excited to listen to the story? Let's begin. My cousin visits my village. Lulu and Nemu are cousins. They live in the village. Nemu is visiting Lulu in her home. Have you all been to village? Isn't it a beautiful place? Lulu shows Nemo her family. Here is my mother and my father. Here is my grandmother and my grandfather. Lulu takes Nemo for a walk. They see the river. Have you seen the river? Where have you seen the river? They see the rice field. Have you seen a rice field? Where have you seen the rice field? Nemu plucks some mangoes from the trees. What color is a mango? Do you like the taste of mango? Lulu and Nemu eat mangoes. Lulu and Nemu are happy. I love the village, says Nemu. Lulu and Nemu go home together. Did you like the story? Did you enjoy the story?